Hi guys, Sandy from So Easy by Sandy here, and today I'm doing something completely new and possibly failing at it because, well, that's how first tries usually go, right? Today I'm trying punch needle for the very first time, on camera with you guys. Here's the thing, during Vlogmas at the Sandy on Crafts channel, my very talented cousin made a couple of punch needle projects and they were some of the coolest videos I've ever made. Well, in this case, I edited because she did all the work. And I have to say, she made it look so easy that I figured I would like to try it someday. Well, this is the day. I'm making a heart pillow, because it's Valentine's. Also because it's the perfect punch needle beginner's project because it's not a very hard shape, it's one color, and it looks like it covers all sorts of sins. I guess we'll just have to find out. So I picked some rustic looking fabric and asked her to lend me her punch needling kit, and here goes nothing. Wish me luck! Okay, now for our heart, we need a template, and hearts are pretty easy to make. We just fold some paper in half and draw half a heart. You can also do a bit of googling and trace over a shape you like. Okay, now we also need to make sure the heart fits the frame we're using, and this one does not. Whoops! I can already tell this is going to be too small for the pillow size I picked, so I will probably have to add more hearts to this pillow. But for now, let's just focus on getting this one done, shall we? Okay, so I've rewatched some of the videos we made and they're actually pretty good at explaining all this stuff to people who have never tried any of it before. So now I know how to thread the needle and that I have to choose how tall the needle is going to be because depending on it is the size of the yarn loop. The taller the needle, the bigger the loop. Also, I know that we punch the yarn in the back of the fabric so that the loop will show up in the other side. Another thing those videos taught me is we always start with tracing the outside shape first and then we fill it in. Let's do it. Well, first blunder. It didn't take me that long. My stitches keep coming off, and I know why actually. It's because the yarn must be very loose when entering the needle. If there isn't like a pool of yarn waiting to go in, the stitch won't hold. I am, however, a very distracted person, so I do think this will happen often. And I guess I'll be speeding along this bit because it will take me a while. Whoa, it took me half an hour to do the outside shape alone, and my hands are already hurting, so yeah, this was a great idea. Let's fill it out. Okay, this is definitely growing on me, although my hands are getting pretty sore and I don't think I've tucked this fabric enough, which only makes me have to work harder at it. But here's the thing, this isn't my frame and I'm very much afraid I'll break it if I tighten it even further. Almost there. And done! First heart is complete. And yeah, I need lots more. And now I feel confident to try something different. Famous last words. I am going to make small hearts, and this time I'm going to do the flat stitch on the front of the fabric. So all we'll see are these straight stitches in a heart shape. What do you think? Let's try it. Now, if you've done punch needling before, you've probably spotted a million things I've done wrong so far, so let me know gently please in the comments below so I can improve my punch needling game, okay? And for those of you who have never tried it, what do you think? Is this something you'd like to try? I know I'm not making it look easy at all, but I do hope I am making it look like fun. Okay, second mistake. I've drawn all these hearts on the front of the fabric, but in fact, I only intend to make some of these flat stitched, meaning that I'll be doing some other hearts on the back of the fabric, in which case, I won't be able to see the lines I've just made, will I? Hope I can erase them. Yeah, good. Okay, moving on. This is the end result, my pillowcase top. No, it won't win any punch needling awards if there is such a thing, and after this video it will probably never see the light of day again. Hey, there is no way you'll learn without practicing, and that's what this is, I guess. But I am finishing it, of course. Hopefully adding some piping to it will make it look somewhat decent. Now, this is something I am comfortable with, but I know some of you think it's really hard to do. It's not, and the end result is so worth it in my opinion. Okay, we're taking strips of fabric and some rope. And then we sew it onto the pillowcase top like so. Now these corners need to get some cuts to settle down. And that's it. Next step is finishing our pillowcase by adding the two back pieces, and this is an envelope pillowcase, no zipper required. We add a seam to both pieces. And then we sew it onto our pillow top like so. We follow our piping seam to make sure we sew exactly where we need to be sewing. And we're done. Our pillow is done and looking interesting, fluffy, handmade. Well, I think the piping really did help, but you let me know the right word to describe it. I will say this was a lot of fun though, and I will be trying this again for sure. Thank you for doing this with me, and I will see you soon. Bye bye!